Great for operations that require a large amount of refrigerated storage, this Centaur 3-section regen refrigerator offers 72 cubic feet of interior space. The bottom-mounted condenser operates in the coolest part of the kitchen and maintains interior temperatures in a range of 34 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Full-length reinforced handles allow users to easily open the 3 insulated doors. These doors are self-closing when opened less than 90 degrees, but will remain open past 90 degrees so products can be easily loaded and unloaded. Each section includes 3 adjustable shelves to accommodate products in a variety of sizes, and interior lights that help employees locate the items they need. Call a customer care representative at 800-541-8683 or visit KaTom.com to order a Centaur refrigerator for your operation today.